How to log in into MetaTrader5 account. Let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded MetaTrader5 app in your device. Once you download it, launch it. With that, you will land to the codes page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Hit towards the option of settings. Now click on this option of new account. If you want to search for the broker, at the top you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the company or server name and search for it. Now to log in, click on this option, MetaTrader software, open it. Now over here you'll find this section of use existing account. Over here you'll need to type in your login details. Enter your login ID, likewise password. If you want to save your password, toggle on for this option. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. If you want to register for your account, click on this option of demo account and you can create your account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into MetaTrader5 account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.